Hi, this is Shrradhaa Kakkad, and it's time now we understand that what we are going to learn in our masterclass. So, why do we need to know that? First of all, I told you that after having your self-clarity, I want you to understand that what all you should be prepared for and what are the points you can think for yourself. And definitely, these points, when I'm going to tell you, your mind will wonder that what exactly you're going to learn, and you will learn that more sincerely. Because I feel that when you're going to spare that sort of time of your life for yourself, and in my masterclass, I want you to take the learning, or when you come for the masterclass, whatever learning you had before, more than that, you get the learning in our masterclass. So what exactly will you learn? Okay, so I am going to share some free service with you. Yeah, you heard me right, the free service. In modeling and pageantry field, does anyone make service? Yes, I do that because this is how I function in my life. And see, apart from being the mentor for models and pageant girls, I even have a real estate company. So before I start anything for my life, I would like to understand that what am I going to achieve out of it, what growth I have, what sort of opportunities I have. So I am going to be sharing the survey for modeling and pageantry with you in the masterclass. Are you excited? Sounds good? Second thing, 97% of people aren't successful in their life. Only 3% people are successful. Can anybody tell me what is the reason behind it? Yes. So they lack vision. Because they do not have vision, that's the reason they are unsuccessful. You might have heard that a lot of models or girls or actors come to Mumbai, or they go to Film City, or they try their luck in modeling, acting and pageantry, but they land up nowhere because they don't have a vision. And that is one of the reasons they are not successful. But as you're going to be coming in my masterclass, you will have a different vision for your life. Okay? Third thing, I'm going to be sharing with you that how successful models or pageant girls function differently. Understand my words, there is a lot of learning which we can have from most successful people in the world or in our country. Okay? And when we understand that how they function, yes, that is what the recipe at times we have got, or some learnings from them we have got. I will be sharing that how successful models or pageant girls function differently, so we can have some learning from them. Sounds good? I'm sure. The next point which I will be covering in the masterclass is my 3 secrets. So I will be sharing my 3 secrets with you, that how I won the pageant, how I came in acting field, and how I became successful in this field. So this is one of the point, my 3 secrets I will be sharing with you in the masterclass. And not last but the least, that how you can be more successful in launching yourself and transforming yourself, and how you can take the success journey ahead. I will be elaborating more on this. So I hope that you are sincere enough and you are dedicated and determined towards your career. So I am excited to see you in the masterclass. Are you? See you soon. Thank you very much.